Learning to code can be approached in various ways, and the easiest method depends on your preferred learning style. Here are some general steps to make the process more accessible. Choose a beginner-friendly language. Start with a language that is known for its simplicity and readability, like Python or JavaScript. These languages are beginner-friendly and widely used. Online learning platforms. Use online platforms like Codecademy, Khan Academy, or FreeCodeCamp. These platforms offer interactive lessons and projects to practice coding. Follow tutorials. Watch video tutorials on platforms like YouTube or educational websites. Many experienced developers share step-by-step guides for beginners. Interactive coding challenges. Engage in coding challenges on platforms like HackerRank, LeetCode, or CodeWars. These challenges enhance problem-solving skills. Code along. Follow along with coding examples. This hands-on approach helps you understand how code works in real situations. Build simple projects. Apply your knowledge by building small projects. This could be a simple website, a basic game, or a program that solves a specific problem. Join coding communities. Participate in online coding communities like Stack Overflow or Reddit. Interact with other learners and seek help when needed. Read documentation. Get comfortable reading documentation. Understanding how to navigate and use documentation is a crucial skill for a programmer. Pair programming. Pair programming involves working with a coding partner. This collaborative approach allows you to learn from each other. Attend coding bootcamps. Consider attending coding bootcamps if you prefer an immersive and structured learning experience. These can be in person or online. Practice regularly. Consistency is key. Set aside dedicated time each day or week for coding practice. Regular practice helps reinforce what you've learned. Learn Git and version control. Understanding version control, especially Git, is important for collaboration and managing code changes. Explore additional resources. Supplement your learning with books, articles, and online forums. There are plenty of resources available to deepen your understanding. Seek feedback. Share your code with others and seek feedback. Constructive criticism can help you improve and learn new techniques. Coding is a continuous learning process. Stay curious, explore new technologies, and challenge yourself with progressively complex projects. I hope these tips will be helpful to your coding journey. If you want to stay updated with more helpful content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. You can also connect with us on social media. Thanks for giving your valuable time.